This video will show you how to import data from the MC program into your appraisal. As you see here, we're on the MC program in the appraisal. I will also have opened my MC program. I will have run the data for my subject, and this is the screen that you usually get when you come up as this sales report screen. This data we typically hand print into the form. Well, we've automated it. So this is how it's done. You will click on this tab down here, the 1004 MC tab. Scroll all the way to the top and you'll have these little copy buttons. These copy buttons will copy these fields so that we can put them into the MC form. So I'm going to copy this field right here. It tells me it's been copied. Then I go to my MC form. I want to go to worksheet, and then I want to go to open an existing worksheet. This is one that I have made and will send to you. And I open the MC form neighborhood import worksheet. This will then give me the data here that's going to go up into the form. This is just another Excel spreadsheet. It tells you to place your cursor in this A4. Now I just want to paste it, so I'll go Control V and paste it. As you can see now, it pasted all this data that was in the MC form, and if I go to the MC form and scroll down, you'll see that all this data is automatically placed into the MC form from here. Also, I have the added benefit that we're also copying the count that goes to the top of page 2 sales data, and we're also copying the neighborhood section. So if I jump to the sales comparison, you'll see that this data here is 5/130 has been copied into the appraisal program. If I go to my neighborhood section, I'll see here that this data has been copied into my minimum age, my medium age, and my prices. All copied into it. I do not have to do anything to import that into the appraisal. Now, to show you where this data came from, I go back to the MC form, and on the neighborhood section and the 1 unit section, if I go to the sales report page, I am taking that data from right here, the lowest age, the highest age, and the median age. The computer will now calculate for me that the data that goes in there and put it for me into the form. It's also going to calculate the lowest list price, the highest list price, and then the median, and put it in here for me. The reason it's using list price is because there are more records in listings rather than just sales. It'll give you a bigger selection of data, so it's more accurate. If you do not like these numbers that are in here, all you have to do is come to here and change this number to whatever you want it to be. And when I tab out, I've changed my number. Whatever you number here will change up into here. If you go into your program and change it from here, it's locked. It will not change because it's getting its data from this worksheet. So whenever you want to change this data for the neighborhood or for the 1 unit housing, you change it here what you think is best, or you let the MC program figure it out and it will automatically do it for you. The same thing is happening on, we jump back to the market report, on the foreclosure section and the concession section. If we are in my MC program on the 1004 MC page, there is some data here that I like to put it, and this is the format that I like to show them what's happening. I can also click on that cell, it will copy that. Then I go to the MC form, scroll down, and I'm told to place my cursor here and paste it. It'll then put the data up into the screen up here. Seems to be a little bit funky for some reason. It's not working with Wintotal, but anyway, it does put the data there. Or if you don't like the data there, just go ahead and type whatever you want it to say. Then when I click out, you can see I've typed in here. The same with the foreclosures. Type whatever you want to say. and it will put it up here in this form. So you can fill this out from the worksheet, or you can use my data. I found that if I unlink this cell, then go ahead and go back to this and paste it into it, sometimes it works. Not in this case. It seems to be an error with the Wintotal program, but you can go ahead and type in here whatever you want it to be, and it will type right up in here. So that's what I've done for that, and that's how to import data into the MC form.